Bear market. A steady drop in the stock market over a period of time. Overproduction/underconsumption. Once people had a certain product, they didn't need another. For example, there were 4.5 M cars sold in 1927, but this reduced by 75% by 1930. Wealth stratification. When a larger share of the wealth is in the hands of the rich, by 1929, 33% of the wealth was in the hands of 5% of the people. Poverty. Around 60% of the population lived under the poverty line and could not afford products or shares. Often the poorest are the first to be made redundant. Fordney McCumber Tariff. Although in 1924 the taxes it placed on foreign goods meant that other countries put the same taxes on U.S. goods, the companies had no market to sell to by 1929. Speculation. Guessing what will happen to the price of shares in the hope that they will go up means share prices become more about confidence than actual value. Buying on margin. Borrowing money in order to buy stocks, which meant after the crash they couldn't pay back loans to banks. Stock fraud. When those selling the shares to investors lie about the value of the stock, making the stock seem more attractive than it is. Panic selling. When share values declined, many people rushed to sell all of their shares at once, causing a domino effect. Black Thursday. October 24, 1929, stock market crashes and almost 13 million shares are sold that day alone. Black Tuesday. October 29, 1929, date of the worst stock market crash in American history and beginning of the Great Depression. 16 million shares traded, 40 cents average price drop per share, $8,000 million wipes from the stock market.